You have probably heard that selling digital products is a great way to make passive income, and it is. But let's be real, when it comes to actually creating them, it can feel like, where do I even start? What should I make? Will anyone actually buy this? If you ever asked yourself any of those questions, I got you. Hi, I'm Nancy Badillo, and after helping thousands of creators building digital product businesses from scratch and making over 1.5 million in digital product sales myself, I am launching something brand new that takes all the guesswork out of it. And it's called the Digital Product Mastery Membership, and the wait list is officially open. So here's the thing that I want you to know. Most people aren't failing because they're not creative or smart enough. They're just trying to figure it all out on their own. They're spending hours scrolling Pinterest, downloading freebies, piecing together YouTube tutorials, and feeling more overwhelmed than when they started. Sounds familiar, right? So what you really need is a step-by-step system, not more information, but an actual path to follow. And that's exactly why I created the Digital Product Mastery Membership. Inside, I show you how to come up with product ideas people actually want, how to create them using tools like Canva and AI, even if you're not techie, and how to improve them with feedback and support so you could get better and faster. Now, open enrollment is here for the Digital Product Membership. And let me tell you, this is for creators who want to start or grow a digital product business with confidence. For just $27.99 a month, here's what you will get. A fresh new training every single Monday. Monthly live Zoom calls with me for Q&A and coaching. Daily support inside our private Facebook group. I'm in there every single day answering your questions and cheering you on. If that sounds like exactly what you've been looking for, comment waitlist below to be the first one notified. Now, let me give you a quick peek at what's actually inside. So every week I drop a new lesson where you will watch me create a digital product from scratch. We already cover designing printable posters in Canva that look amazing, making invitations even if you've never designed before, using AI to come up with product ideas and write descriptions, and creating coloring pages and journals people love, and turning your work into listings that convert in sales. This isn't just me talking, this is hands-on, wash over my shoulder, let's do it together training. And just to be clear, this is designed for beginners. If you've never touched Canva or you feel like you're overwhelmed with tech, I got you. Everything is step-by-step, easy to follow, and you will never be doing it alone. And here's what makes this membership really different. Courses give you information. This gives you a system. You will get clarity on what to make and why it will sell. Creation, so like step-by-step training, so no fluff, and feedback, real support from me and the group. Consistency, weekly lessons to keep you going. So here's your reminder. It's just $27.99 a month, no contracts. You could cancel anytime. New lessons every Monday, live coaching every fourth Thursday, and daily support from me inside the Facebook group. So if you're ready to stop overthinking and start creating products you are proud to sell, comment waitlist and I will send you the link. Let's build your digital product business together.